going? I think we got everything.
People in North America travel. No matter the weather, we go places. And when the storm is raging, there's only one name you can trust. Introducing Swenson's Evolution, the new advanced spreader system that is changing the snow and ice removal industry as we've known it. Combining progressive European technology and high-quality American manufacturing, the Evolution promises safer roads, safer operators, and a safer environment, all while bringing new meaning to the term fiscal responsibility. Evolution. The name suggests growth, progress, and that's exactly what this new smart spreader delivers. Progress in the form of technology that produces a unique 70-30 granular to liquid pre-wet ratio. This supersaturated mixture quickly turns icy roads into safer roads as it melts ice faster and sticks to the road better. And when what goes on the road stays on the road, less damage is done to the environment. Evolution means innovation, as seen in the form of a precision control system that is much easier to operate. With one touch of a button, less distracted drivers can select from 1 to 3 lanes of material coverage and 6 spread pattern options. The Evolution's ground speed control technology maintains pounds per lane mile requirements by automatically adjusting the material output with the speed of the truck so the operator doesn't have to. The result? The driver drives while the spreader spreads, precisely and consistently. Evolution also earns its name when talking cost savings. As salt, labor, and maintenance costs continue to rise, Evolution's 70-30 pre-wetting and precision spreading technology reverses the trend, offering significant material savings of 35% or more. Better salt adhesion, enhanced melting power, and less material used add up to annual budget savings that grow faster than windrows in a Buffalo blizzard. A closer look shows that Evolution is the only choice for your spreader fleet. The adjustable poly chute is corrosion and clog resistant, assuring longer life and better performance. The Dosage gate offers 2 positions for precise metering of material. The Spinner Discs Poly Hub allows for superior mixing of liquid and granular materials prior to dispensing. Evolution's Command Center is a CAN bus-based controller that manages everything you need. And integrated technology makes it easy to download consumption and usage reports via USB. It's the perfect combination of innovative technology and user-friendly engineering. When the storm is raging and the people you serve are on the move, depend on the Evolution by Swenson to clear a precision path to safety. Swenson, helping you protect North American commuters for more than 80 years.